Want to know how to see templates or check out templates in AgentGPT by Reworked? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your AgentGPT website and make sure you are logged in as well. So we have also created similar videos of AgentGPT that might help you, so make sure to watch it. Now, checking out your templates is super simple. On the leftmost side, you should be seeing your menu writer. If you don't see it, on the left side, you should be seeing this menu icon, just simple like that, and it should pop up just like this. And templates should be right below pages right here on the first. So just simply select it. Now, once I've selected templates, here you can see various agents that you can create, from Research GPT, Brand GPT to much more, as you can see right here. So you can just simply select any one of these. So let's say if I select a Study GPT, here you can just simply select that, and now once you select that, you can just simply start typing and creating an agent that you like, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these similar videos. See you in the next one.